Introducing the 2021 Volkswagen Golf GTI Clubsport. Under the hood, there's a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that makes 296 horsepower and 295 foot-pounds of torque. For comparison, the standard GTI produces 242 horsepower and 273 foot-pounds of torque. The Clubsport comes exclusively with a 7-speed dual-clutch gearbox. VW puts the hotter hatchback's acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 6 seconds. And there is an electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. It is not currently clear whether VW intends to offer the Clubsport in the US. So far, the company is only confirming the GTI and not yet unveiled Golf R for the American market for the 2022 model year.